So today in this video, I got a really cool video. I've done one of these type videos before, but it's been like over a year ago. And girl, I am very excited to be bringing you this video once again, though it is a bit different. Now, I'm always looking for ways to slim that waist, reduce that fat, and do it fast, girl, with little to no exercise. Though I know that we need a good diet routine and a good exercise routine to keep the weight off for good. Now, a lot of people are going the liposuction route, cool sculpting, all that good stuff. I get it. I want it too. I really wish I could just get lipo and just be done with it, though I know I have to maintain it. But see, once I get it done, I feel like I'll be one of those that can really maintain it, because I'd really be motivated once I get myself to where I want to be. You know what I mean? I feel like I'd be good at staying in shape, just like all the IG girls. You know, they go and get all this work done, and now they're posting all these videos of them doing these outlandish workout routines. But bitch, you didn't do that to get there, and that's all good. I ain't hating, because if I had the coin, I'd do it too. But girl, let's get into the things that I got that I'm gonna be doing in conjunction to my slight exercise routine, because I'm not even gonna lie to you, I don't go to the gym as much as I should, though I have a Planet Fitness gym membership, and they take that $10 faithfully out of my account whether I go or not. So I need to be cashing in on that and taking advantage of my membership. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get into some of the new things that I got, and one is a really cool gadget, so stay tuned, because we're gonna be doing it right here on this channel. Okay, stay with me. Thing that I have been enjoying, this is how it comes packaged. Now, you can pick this up directly from the site or on Amazon. Now, these are so delicious. This is an apple cider vinegar shot alternative. Now, I know that you've seen a lot of those videos where people are drinking and taking apple cider vinegar to combat fat and to help promote weight loss and, you know, that type of thing. And these are good. These are a dietary supplement, okay, with apple cider vinegar in them. And they're really good. You would think they taste gross, but they are really delicious. This is what they look like. Girl, they smell so good. I could just really eat this whole bottle. I've already had one earlier. I want to have another for kicks. Though the serving size is like 2 to 3 per day, so you can't have up to 3. I don't recommend more than 3, but the health benefits of these are absolutely amazing, because I feel like if it wasn't for me taking these and drinking water, girl, woo, I'd be big as a house. But I do absolutely love these, and I do recommend these, and these are just about $20, under $20, $19. I mean, of course, you have to pay taxes, but yeah, well worth the coin spent. I love all the health benefits, and they do help promote a healthy immune system, girl. And we want to keep that immune system on high. With that Rona going around, this will help prevent that, helps boost the immune system. So I really recommend apple cider vinegar in your routine. Get into the main attraction. I have this. This is my new gadget. This is like cool sculpting at home, and you can pick this up directly from the website as well as on Amazon. But girl, this is like at home cool sculpting belt system, so we don't have to leave the house to get our cool sculpt on. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and test this baby out and see what it does. Okay, now this one is roughly $99 on Amazon, and it does come with everything that we need inside the box to go ahead and get this thing going and get some cool sculpting going. Okay, it comes with one Ecofreezer main unit, that's going to be the belt, one standard fastener, the instructions, a power adapter, and protective pads pack inside. Okay, so yeah, simple and safe, non-invasive, designed for both men and women. So not only is it for us honeys, but the fellas can use this too. So yeah, I think this could be the move. So let's go ahead and see how. So upon opening it, there is a little pack here of glycerin pads right here. All right, and 2, here is the power cord. Okay, this looks kind of heavy duty. This looks like a laptop cord to me. Girl, what have we gotten ourselves into? Okay, so this is the belt. This is what's going to go around our waist. We do have the instruction manual right here, and it has one of those little fat caliber measurer type tools right here. I don't really want to be using that. I don't want to be pinching and and seeing how much fat I got. I see it all the time. I don't want to pinch it and look at it and play with it. I want it gone. Okay, and this is the actual machine right here. Okay, so it has like this metal plate here on the back. I'm assuming this is the part that's gonna get real cold or whatnot. But yeah, this is interesting. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it powered up, and this is the little place where you put the cord in. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it set up so we can see what we got going on. And this is where you select. So you have your power button, and if we want 60 minutes or a 30-minute session here. Okay then. Okay, Ecofreezer, let's see what's going on with this. Okay, let's see how this feels. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and get it powered up and set up. Now I have the power source attached to it, and like I said, these are the buttons here, so you can either do a 30-minute session or 60 minutes. Because I'm new to this, we're gonna do baby steps. Y'all know I'm all about my baby steps, so we're gonna do 30 minutes. But before we get this attached, this is where we grab the glycerin pad, rub the area, and then we leave the glycerin pad on the skin before we put the belt on. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do this right, because I ain't got time to be getting injured or burned or bruised, okay? So let me grab that. I'm gonna show you what I do to get it attached, and yeah, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this pad goes in between the machine and your skin. So wherever you lay this is where you're gonna lay the metal plate, which is this right here on back. So this goes on the pad, okay? Alright, so right here is where we want to start first. Right here in front. Alright guys, here we go. I'm gonna turn it on. We're gonna do 30 minutes. Sounds like a fan. And it's getting really, really cold, really, really fast. Alright, so I'm going to keep it on the entire 30 minutes and we'll see what happens and how I feel afterwards. there should be just about 5 or 6 minutes left on this, and throughout using it, it does just feel extremely cold. So I do feel like it is working, but I guess I would really need to use it a few times to actually see results. So stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed so you won't miss any of my updates, because I will be updating you of my progress with using the Ecofreezer. Okay, so it just shut off. Let's see if anything looks different. Now, we didn't do any measuring, so I don't think this will be that instant anyway. And this pretty much feels dry. This is like super cold to touch. So it does get cold, so it does feel like it did. Ooh, this is like ice cold. It feels like ice has been laying on my stomach. It almost feels kind of numb. I don't really feel it, but it is super cold, okay? So yeah, we're gonna do this for the next couple of days, and I'll come back with the result, okay? Guys, that is it for me. Be sure to check out the description box, as I will have the direct link to the Ecofreezer in the description box should you decide to pick one up for yourself. Who knows, you might want to take this journey with me. We can do it together and see how much we lose off of our waistlines, okay? Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video. Bye.